Well, good afternoon and welcome to the Idahoan Show. You know, if you look online for smoke points of oils, it seems like the tables that you find are usually limited to cooking oils. However, there's a variety of other applications for which an oil with a high smoking temperature might be desirable. Machining, for example. You know, the less smoke you generate in your machine shop, the better. So today I'm setting up a simple experiment to measure the smoke point of a number of different oils, some of them cooking oils and some of them not. I'm just going to use this torch to heat up a piece of metal with a drop of oil on it until it starts smoking, and then as soon as it starts smoking, we'll measure the temperature of the steel with an infrared thermometer. So pretty simple setup, let's get to it. So to start off with, in beaker A, I've got some soybean oil. Just going to rub a little bit of this on my steel plate and heat it up. And I think I see some smoke. .590 or 590, well, jumping around a little bit, now it's starting to cool off. Somewhere between 590 and 600. In beaker B, I've got canola oil. And I'm seeing smoke. Well, that's 650. In beaker C, we've got food grade mineral oil. And that's smoking already. I'm going to say about 450. In beaker D, we've got WD-40. Starting to smoke already at about 260 degrees Fahrenheit. So very low smoke point on WD-40. That might explain why there's so much smoke when I use it as a machining fluid. In beaker E, we have AW68 gear oil. Starting to smoke already. About 400, 390 to 400. In beaker F, we have 5W30 engine oil. There we go. That's smoking. About 460. And finally, in beaker G, we have the canola oil that we sulfurized in a previous episode. Okay, that's just barely starting to smoke, but 660. Well, so based on the results of this experiment, I'm thinking I may have to start experimenting with using canola oil as a machining fluid. And if straight canola oil doesn't provide enough lubricity or enough of a cutting aid, maybe the sulfurized cutting oil that we came up with will. So more experiments to look forward to. In the meantime, thanks for watching the Idahoan Show.